I introduced with Congressman Jeff Flake the only bipartisan comprehensive immigration reform bill in the House of Representatives, the STRIVE Act, which provides for a number of reforms to our nation's immigration system and would greatly benefit small businesses and our economy. STRIVE is a comprehensive bill. It proposes enhancing our border and interior enforcement efforts, a robust employment verification system, a tough and fair earned adjustment for the estimated 12 million undocumented individuals in the U.S., a new worker program to provide for future flow of workers to fill jobs that require little training or skill and for which Americans cannot be found, and extensive reforms of the employment-based and family-based immigration systems. In particular, I believe that earned legalization, new worker programs, and visa reforms will provide significant relief to small businesses who often struggle under the current broken bureaucracy. Together, these provisions will ensure a legal workforce well into the future and provide significant stability and longevity to small businesses. I would be happy to further discuss these important provisions if members have an interest. I would like to focus my remarks today on how the nation's family immigration system could impact the creation and stability of small businesses in the U.S. This connection between family immigration and entrepreneurship is not often made in the broader immigration debate, but it is an important one. We know that families are often the ones who start and own new businesses, from local hardware stores to restaurants to mom and pops. Family-owned businesses are the backbone of our economy. We also know that immigrant entrepreneurs are the fastest-growing segment of small business owners today, and they form small businesses at a much higher rate than non-immigrant Americans. Given the preponderance of immigrant families in the community of small business owners, our nation's family immigration system could have a significant impact on the state of the American small businesses, future job creation, and U.S. economy. Promoting family unity has been a major feature of our immigration policy for decades. This not only promotes strong family values for our nation, but also provides an influx of entrepreneurs who start and grow family businesses that generate tax receipts, property ownership, and new jobs essential to keeping our cities and neighborhoods strong. However, as we know from our constituent casework, the current backlog in family visas are causing lengthy waiting times for families to immigrate legally to the United States. The STRIVE Act addresses these problems in our family-based immigration system by significantly increasing the availability of family visas to reduce the backlog of visas within 6 years. In the context of the immigration debate, President Bush has repeatedly said, and I quote, "Family values don't stop at the Rio Grande," end quote. I could not agree with the President more. However, I am concerned that his moderate and compassionate views are being abandoned in recent Senate negotiations on immigration reform. Senators are considering eliminating most of the family-based immigration categories and replacing them in favor of employment-based system with a point or merit system. The argument to justify abandoning our nation's historic commitment to preserving family values in our immigration system is not allowing immigrants to join their U.S. citizen brothers and sisters, parents or adult children, is not in the national interest. If moral arguments to preserve a robust family immigration system do not compel us, the economic facts should. It might sound attractive to recruit only the most highly skilled and educated to the U.S., but I assure you this would be not in the national interest. Let me explain why. Although the initial earnings of family-based immigrants are below those of employment-based immigrants, the earning differences dissipate over time. Family immigrants also benefit the U.S. economy by starting businesses that would not otherwise be developed. And given that immigrants do not come in with a focused set of skills for a particular job, they are more likely to be flexible to respond to real-time gaps in our economy and willing to take a chance to start up new businesses. In other words, it is precisely because family-based immigrants lack specific skills that are able to more readily seize upon the opportunities presented by a dynamic economy. I see no legitimate economic rationale for eliminating family immigration categories, and the idea is politically divisive. Having a robust family employment immigration system are not mutually exclusive. In fact, the reforms and increases in family and employment-based visas in the STRIVE Act allow for both. These are essential elements of comprehensive immigration reform as they reduce illegal immigration and strengthen our economy. Thank you, Madam Chair. It's a pleasure to sit here before you and this wonderful committee, and I look forward to answering all of the questions of the members of the committee.